Hi, this is going to show you how to copy over missions from the Summer Passport template hunt to your own personal Summer Passport hub. When you first log in with the information that you've created to log in your own account, you're going to come over here to your name, you'll click on it, and it will show you pending invites. Click on that and accept. Sorry, I didn't think to do that on the video, but it's really easy. You can't miss it. There'll be a blue box indicating how many hunts that you've been invited to, and just click through there. Then you're going to go into that game. I'm going to choose to start from the Summer Passport Utah Hub and show you how to move those missions over. So you're going to go to missions once you've signed into the game. You're going to go to my previous missions. First of all, I'm going to see what's here. Okay. You're going to select a game, and it's the Summer Passport template. Summer Passport program template. And you can look at your missions, or you can search them by name. I'm going to suggest you look at each one and go through. Once you add a new mission, it will disappear from this list. And it takes a minute or two to get it. But let's pretend that we want the Visit a Farm mission to go from the Summer Passport program template to the Summer Passport Utah hub. So all I have to do is click Add, and it disappears. And then when I go back to the mission list, it's on here. You want to use this as well. Make sure this is custom. You'll hover over the middle of the mission, and you're going to want to take it and drag it down. It's kind of tricky. If you make the screen a little smaller, it's a little bit easier. But there's a couple of things that Shirley wants to stay at the top. So anything like getting started, like I said, this part's a little bit tricky. It's not very user-friendly, but it does work. There's 3 missions at the very top, and you can drag your missions beyond that, but we want them to be able to see the first 3 missions, which are Getting Started, Safety First, and the Real Prize. Leave those at the top, and the others you can put in the order you choose. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. Thanks.